going to unbox it. My daughter has started doing that already, but anyway, I'm going to unbox it and see what is inside. Does it worth it? Everything, the money, is it a scam? Is it reliable? Those things that are inside don't have a lot of quality. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day. Most of the time shopping online, I usually feel skeptical, especially if it's not a website that is popular, that everyone knows. You know, if it's not popular websites like, you know, Amazon, I feel skeptical about ordering because I'm not sure who is a scammer, who, you know, fraud is everywhere. So this particular website, this is my first time ordering from them. A friend of mine actually got nice stuff from the website and so beautiful, so I decided to order mine to see how it goes. Trust me, this website is very affordable. Like, their prices are so cheap. Okay, so guys, here let's unbox from Temu and see how it goes and see what is inside. My daughter has started doing this already. So guys, I got a couple of stuff from them. Let's see if it is worth it or not. Oh, So the first thing that pops out is this water spray. How much did I order this? This is about $1 plus. Remember, can you guys remember that this beauty stuff supply store that I visited one time? This particular spray bottle cost $8. $8, but look at it. It's $1 plus. Ooh. Hair. I also got this hair from them. Wow. Wow. Wow, look at this hair now. It's not natural though, but it's a kind of kinky hair, straight. Okay, and I actually got this one for how much again? Around $16. This particular hair. I'll wear it in my next video. These ones are stickers, wall stickers. This thing here is for exercise. Let me try it on. At this point, my village people wanted to come for me. I ordered my size, though. I ordered myself. But look at what is happening here. I'm struggling to put this thing through. Oh, is it because I'm putting on clothes? I don't think so. Well, I told myself, me and this thing today, I am going to try until it fits in. But take a look at, I think it's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up. Okay, yeah. There you go. Yes, yes. All done.
Successful. Okay guys, let me know how does this look. I am ready to get it all snatched down. My shape has been killing me. My weight has been killing me. So hopefully this shapewear will do justice to what it's supposed to do. Okay, take a look at it now. Is it okay? Well, the material is some I'm gonna give this 5/10 because the material is not that strong. Okay, I don't know how long it's going to last. It is quite softer than it should. Okay, so for this particular shapewear, I got it.
How much I bought it, but
I got it for $674. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to be
it's much affordable, right? But let's see how much it's going to last.
It was actually this that made me to order from this website. I'll wear it and I'll show you guys. This is another way again. Oh, this one is for exercise too, for arm. What? This is so small. No way, this is not gonna size my boy. This is so small. There's no, oh my goodness. It's supposed to be for a 3-year-old. Can my daughter wear this? Blue. What a bottle. I have another wear here. I'm going to try all of them later on. This is for my daughter. I took a break. So here we have this rug. This is supposed to be a rug. I saw this thing is so soft.
So with this rug, I felt so rubbed. What I saw is actually what is not what they delivered. As you guys can see, the same color but an entirely different design, different quality. And take a look at the way it is looking on the floor. And with the price is $15. It is so expensive. $15.99, almost $16. It is so expensive, honestly. I'm coming to this shampoo cap for my daughter. At first I saw it and it felt so inferior, but I tried it on her hair and it feels okay. So guys, I'm gonna be taking this and I'll manage it on them. And for this kind of vegetable chopper, this is another thing that's actually worth it, that I like a lot. Yeah, okay, hopefully I'll be able to use it in my next video to show you guys how it works. Yeah, I think it's going to be good to make your cooking easier. You can use it to chop different vegetables like carrots, you know, onions, tomatoes, and all those vegetables.
That is all, guys. So I'm going to be showing you in the next video where I wear all of these clothes and see how it sizes me. okay, but I think the overall review for me, I'm gonna give it like 6/10 because some of these things here, the quality is not so good, especially for this rug here. Take a look at it. It's so soft.